Transitions and coherence in academic writing. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video on transitions and coherence in academic writing. In this video, we will explore how to effectively use transitions to improve the flow and coherence of your essays. Transitions are words or phrases that connect ideas and help readers navigate smoothly through your writing. They serve as a bridge between sentences, paragraphs, and even larger sections of your essay. Let's dive in. Transitions play a crucial role in academic writing. They ensure clarity and make your essay more coherent by establishing logical connections between ideas. By using transitions effectively, you can guide your readers through your arguments and help them understand the relationships between different parts of your essay. Without appropriate transitions, your writing can feel disjointed and confusing. So, let's explore some common types of transitions and how to use them. 2.1. Additive transitions. Additive transitions are used to add information or provide examples. They help you expand on your ideas and make your writing more detailed. Some common additive transitions include in addition, furthermore, moreover, and also. These transitions indicate that you are presenting additional evidence, facts, or examples that support your main points. 2.2. Causal transitions. Causal transitions are used to show cause and effect relationships between ideas. They help you explain why something happened or discuss the consequences of an event or action. Examples of causal transitions include therefore, as a result, consequently, and thus. These transitions help you connect the cause and effect in your writing, making your arguments more logical and persuasive. 2.3. Comparative transitions. Comparative transitions are used to draw comparisons between different ideas or concepts. They help you highlight similarities or differences and establish relationships between them. Some common comparative transitions include similarly, in contrast, on the other hand, and likewise. These transitions guide your readers through the comparative analysis in your essay, enabling them to understand the connections between different elements. 2.4. Sequential transitions. Sequential transitions are used to show a sequence or order of events. They help you present information in a logical and organized manner. Examples of sequential transitions include firstly, next, then, and finally. These transitions indicate that you are moving from one point to another in a step-by-step or chronological manner. They guide your readers through the structure of your essay, making it easier for them to follow your ideas. Now that we have explored different types of transitions, let's discuss some tips for using them effectively in your academic writing. 3.1. Be consistent. Choose transitions that are appropriate for the connections you want to make. Be consistent in your usage throughout the essay. If you start with a specific type of transition, maintain that pattern to provide a smooth reading experience. 3.2. Provide context. When using transitions, make sure to provide enough context for your readers to understand the relationship between ideas. Use introductory phrases or clauses to set up the connection and clarify the purpose of the transition. 3.3. Avoid overusing transitions. While transitions are essential for coherence, avoid overusing them. Too many transitions can make your writing repetitive and monotonous. Use transitions strategically to enhance the flow of your essay without overwhelming your readers. Congratulations! You have now learned about the importance of transitions and how to use